Here's a side hustle idea where you don't need to show your face, you don't need inventory, you don't even need a website, and you only need a little bit of money to start. I'm going to show you how you can get your first sale today. People are making an absolute fortune with Etsy and print on demand. In some cases, enough to quit their jobs. Etsy allows you to sell pieces like this, canvas wall art with custom quotes and all sorts. With print on demand, your supplier prints and fulfills the order for you, and you get to keep that profit. So for this example, I'm going to show you a new product that's just come to market from T-Launch, and that's these playing cards. And using my trusty eRank tool, I can see custom playing cards is getting 2,700 searches a month and has very little competition. Once you created your T-Launch account, come down to the playing cards and click Start Design. For this example, I'm using Canva Pro, and here you can see a design I've made. Download it, back on T-Launch, upload it. Then name it, making sure you put the keyword in the title, in the description, set your prices, select hold orders, and select all the images, and then create. Whilst you wait for those mock-ups, come to etsy.com/sell and go through the onboarding process and integrate it with T-Launch. Back on Etsy, it's going to be in your draft listings. There it is. So in Etsy, we want to make sure we've got our supplier selected down here, our production partner. Come down and put in all the relevant tags, all 13 of them, and then click personalize and then go publish. Now with playing cards, there's not a hell of a lot of margin in them. And if you want a decent product to sell where you can make a lot of money, make sure you check out my latest YouTube video.